In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on a WordPress blog. Delving into the world of blogging can sometimes feel like navigating a complex labyrinth, but with WordPress the process is smoothly streamlined, ensuring that even beginners can find their footing with relative ease. Today we're going to walk through the steps to post your thoughts, ideas or stories on your WordPress blog. Whether you're looking to share your latest culinary adventures, tech insights or personal musings, follow these instructions and you'll have your content live in no time. First things first, let's start by visiting wordpress.com. This site is your gateway to creating, managing and publishing content on your personal or professional blog. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice an array of options and features WordPress offers to bloggers and creators alike. Your journey begins here at the forefront of your blogging adventure. Once you're ready to proceed, look for the login button. This is your next step towards blog post publication. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page, a simple yet vital step in accessing the dashboard where your creative content comes to life. For those who have connected their Google account to WordPress, the option to continue with Google streamlines the login process. This handy feature eliminates the need to remember an additional password, making it a breeze to access your blogging platform. Simply click on Continue with Google and choose the account you wish to use for WordPress. After you select your Google account, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This step is straightforward. Just click on Continue. It's a double check to ensure you're using the correct account for your blogging endeavors, keeping your content securely tied to the right Google profile. Now, fully logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard by looking for My Home, the site link. This dashboard is the command center for your blog, where you can create, manage and publish content, engage with your audience, and customize your site's appearance. Hovering over the Posts section of your dashboard will reveal several options. Here, you'll want to focus on all posts. This area provides an overview of your previously published posts and drafts, allowing you to manage your content efficiently. In the All Posts section, it's time to bring your ideas to life. By clicking on Add New Post, you're stepping into the WordPress editor, a user-friendly interface designed for crafting your blog posts. Whether you're drafting an insightful article, sharing a personal story, or posting updates about your latest projects, this is where your creativity unfolds. The editor offers various tools and options to enhance your post. You can add images, embed videos, format text, and much more, ensuring your post captures your message and engages your readers. Take your time to explore these features, as they can significantly impact the presentation and effectiveness of your content. Once you're satisfied with your post, it's time for the final and most exciting step, publishing. By clicking on Publish, you're about to share your content with the world. WordPress will prompt you to review your post settings, allowing you to make any last-minute adjustments. This is also an excellent time to add categories and tags, which help organize your blog and make it easier for readers to find related content. And there you have it. Your post is now live on your WordPress blog. The sense of accomplishment from sharing your thoughts, expertise, or personal stories with an audience is unmatched. Remember, WordPress is not just a platform for posting content, it's a community where you can engage with readers, receive feedback, and grow your audience over time. In conclusion, posting on a WordPress blog is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for bloggers and creators. From the initial login to pressing the Publish button, each step is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. So go ahead, share your unique voice with the world, and watch as your blog transforms into a vibrant community of engaged readers and fellow creators. Thank you for following along, and happy blogging.